Welcome investors! Today I would like to talk with you about AngloGold Ashanti, a gold mining company which I own besides Yamana Gold, Kinross Gold and Barrick Gold. About all those three gold mining companies I made the videos, and I recommend you to see those videos if you are interested in investing in gold. All those three gold mining companies are located in Canada. But AngloGold Ashanti is located in South Africa, even though the company doesn't operate any mines anymore in South Africa. AngloGold Ashanti employs around 26,000 people. Company was formed in 2004 by the merger of AngloGold and Ashanti Fields Corporation. Currently, the company operates in 4 continents and has 17 operations. Company produced 102 tons of gold in 2019. In 2018, production was 106 tons of gold. AngloGold Ashanti is considered third largest gold mining company in the world, after Newmont and Barrick Gold. Company market cap is 9.46 billion. Enterprise value is 11.29 billion. Total debt of the company is 2.88 billion. Ownership of the stock is 70% institutional, 30% private. So let's take a look at my holdings of AngloGold Ashanti shares. So my AngloGold Ashanti shares I started buying in June 7th, 2019. So I bought 685 shares for $14.60. Then the next buy was on June 14, 615 shares for $16.16. Another buy was on June 18, and I bought 641 shares for $15.58. And the last buy was June 20th, 2019. I bought 588 shares. As of right now, shares are, the price per share is $21.41. So right now we have November 29. So total what I invested in AngloGold Ashanti is 40,000 and the change. And as of right now, this 40,000 turn out to be 54,000 and the change, which is 35% increase over 1 year and 5 months. So right now you can see all my gold holdings companies. Each company has its own video. Why did I decide to buy gold mining companies in the first place? Those of you who saw my previous videos know why I decided to buy gold mining stocks. But I'll briefly repeat this for those who didn't see my previous videos. Gold has been around for around 4,000 years, and from the beginning it was symbol of beauty, power. Gold quickly became currency for many nations around the world, and during the time of turbulence, gold was only one thing to hold the value. Price of gold fluctuates constantly over the time, and more than a year ago I saw that we were in a bear market for gold, and I came to the conclusion, if we have something what has been around for 4,000 years and people place a great value in this, eventually good times will come back to the gold price. So I did a research and picked up pretty safe 4 gold mining companies, 2 smaller and 2 bigger. And here I am, a year later, with my AngloGold Ashanti shares being up 35%. My Barrick Gold shares are up 58%. My Yamana Gold shares are up 126%. And my Kinross Gold shares are up 96%. To be very precise, when I started buying AngloGold Ashanti stocks in June 7th, 2019, it was already a bull market for gold. Bear market was from 2016 to 2018, and then from 2018 until July 2020 we had a bull market in gold prices. From July 2020 we can observe the gold prices sliding down slightly. I am not a gold bug or some kind of gold lover. I consider myself a profit lover. It was and still is my main motivation behind buying gold stocks. It was no brainer to me that eventually gold stocks are going to take off. And even with gold prices right now on retreat, I'm not worried. It is a temporary slowdown caused by the hype about vaccine for the virus, which is pushing general stock prices up and the gold prices down. But eventually we will see inflation coming and the higher interest rates coming, and gold will get attention of more and more retail investors, and the price of gold will go up higher. When this will happen, I don't know, and I don't really worry about the prices of gold. It could be a couple of months or it could be a couple of years before gold prices start climbing back again. Let's go back in time to June 7, 2019, when I started buying my AngloGold Ashanti stocks. It was my 45th birthday, by the way. I could have bought Tesla shares instead of AngloGold Ashanti shares. So my 40,000, which I invested in AngloGold Ashanti stock, instead of being worth right now $54,000, it could be worth 400,000 in Tesla shares, because Tesla shares during this time went up 1,000%. So you might think, why didn't I buy Tesla shares instead of AngloGold Ashanti stock? 2 reasons. Reason number 1, circle of competence. I know much more about the gold and mining industry than electric vehicles industry. And reason number 2, if you look at the long-term chart of Tesla a year ago, no one really knew if Tesla stock was going to take off eventually. Electric cars are a fairly new concept, and it is uncharted territory. Plus, all major car companies are racing to make electric vehicles. So buying Tesla shares in June 2019 required a faith and hype about the company. And I never like to use hype and faith when buying any shares of any companies. Right now, look at the long-term chart of AngloGold Ashanti. It shows you great fluctuation of the price. And you can see that we were down with gold prices in 2019. This clearly indicates that eventually the bull market is coming, because we are dealing with product which has been around for past 4,000 years. In June 2019, it was clear to me that AngloGold Ashanti stock is going to go up eventually. Tesla stock, on another side, it was not so clear for me that the stock is going to take off. Plus, I don't know and I don't have a huge knowledge about electric vehicle industry. So I decided to stick with what I know better, and I decided to go with this, what I felt very strongly will bring me more than average returns. And as of right now, like I said, my AngloGold Ashanti shares are 35% up. I don't want to recommend to you every week a new stock which I'm not even planning to buy. That's why you don't see me every week making video about new stocks. My goal in this channel is simple and realistic: to show you what I own and how I make money on the stock market. I don't want to show you how to make money on the stock by just talking about as many as possible stocks every week, which unfortunately is the case for the majority of YouTube channels. Guys are making money by talking about many stocks which they do not own and are not making money from. So my goal here is to engage your thinking and motivate you to think for yourself and find your own undervalued market niche where you can profit eventually. I don't want you to feel good after watching my videos. I don't want to entertain you like all the rest of the YouTube is doing. After watching my videos, I want you to think, read, study, and feel uncomfortable and be motivated to see and find what others cannot see and what others cannot find. Only this way you can really make money on the stock market. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and share this video if this brings any value to your knowledge about investing. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to join our family of contrarian and simple investors, and help me to spread the word about simple and effective way of making money in the stock market. Please take care about yourself and about your family, and never follow the crowd when investing.